This is one of the most exciting times of year for interior designers. It's the 2016 Interior Design Show, and this is where we see all the new trends and all the new products. There are a lot of kitchen trends at the Interior Design Show, and here we are at Avani by Aya. And the island is really a showstopper. You look at the thickness of the counter. They've taken the quartz and made this really dramatic thick counter. One of the things I really love is the cooktop. It's actually set into the granite, so the elements are set into the granite, and here you have the risers for your pots. It's so seamless and beautiful. Also seamless and beautiful is the kitchen sink, the way it's all integrated into the same stone. And one of the trends we're seeing is colored faucets. So we're used to chrome, but here we're seeing a lot of black and white faucets, and it's really very dramatic and works with the cooktop. Now there's also a trend away from handles, actually traditional handles. So what we see here is this taupe colored kitchen in a matte lacquer, and all the handles go all the way up. Now so it's seamless, the fridge is only this high, but the door goes all the way up to the ceiling, and that gives that dramatic effect. And even the drawers have the same detail. So we have the handle on here, and then the handle on the drawers. So really architectural and completely seamless. Kitchen elements are always popular at the Interior Design Show, and here we are at the galley, and one of the things they make which really attracted my attention is the oversized sinks. So you have two faucets, two people can be working at the same time at the same sink. And this one's so great because there's even a cooktop on either side. But what's neat about this is also all the attachments. So you have the strainer that moves back and forth, you have your colander and chopping block, which I think is great, and then these chopping blocks which can go anywhere throughout the sink. So it's really a great sink for an active kitchen. This is brand new from Resource Furniture. It's the ultimate space saver. We've got a living room, dining room, and bedroom in this small area. So we start with the dining room setup. We have the bench here, the dining table, and the sofa acts as a banquette. But when we put this down, this forms the coffee table, and it's a great sized coffee table and lots of room between the sofa and the coffee table. It looks fantastic. Now when we remove these cushions, we pull this down, and we have a full-size bed. This is really an incredible use of space. Great for a small apartment, an in-law suite, even a guest suite. An option to ceramic tile or marble tiles in a shower is by U-Tile by Max. And these are sheets. They look like tile and they even feel like tile. So they come in marbles, patterned ceramics, these great ceramic tiles, but they come in full sheets, so there's no grout, there's no leaking, nothing like that. They're so clean and they really look like ceramic tile. They're a really great solution for a shower. Hardwoods come a long way, and we're at Northern Wide Plank, and the real trend are these colors, these beautiful washed colors that you see, and it's really inspired by Europe and Northern Europe. So what happens with many of them is there's gray washes and then what we call cerusing, where you rub white into it. But even just a standard oak, so this is natural oak, wide plank, just with an oil on it, and look how beautiful the natural oak is. But there are all these washed colors that give us the feel of Norway and Sweden that is the hot trend today, and it's going to last for a very long time.